Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you so much for coming today. My name is Relativa from Industrial Engineering Study Program. Today I'd like to tell you about industrial influence on the Indonesian economy. Okay, next background. Industry is an economic activity that processes raw materials, semi-finished materials, or finished goods into high-quality goods for use, including industrial engineering and engineering activities. Industry in Indonesia has substantial influence on the Indonesian economy. Industry plays a decisive role in economic development so that its development is truly supported and endeavored. After Indonesia's independence, several efforts were made to develop science and technology in Indonesia. The schools were formed for the purpose of formulating, replacing, directing, and controlling science and technology research and development activities in Indonesia. This is to support the industry in Indonesia. Okay, next, problem formulation. The first, what is industry? Any industry classification? And what are the impacts of industrial development? Next, objectives. To know what the industry is, to know the industry classification, to know the impact of industrial development. Discussion. Industry in Indonesia is one of the important components of the economy. Industry allows our economy to grow rapidly and get better, thereby bringing about change in the structure of the national economy. Industry classification according to the number of works: small industry, medium industry, large industry. Industry classification according to production level: heavy industry, light industry, basic industry, home industry. Okay, next, industry classification according to the type of activity. First, industry is basic metal industry, basic chemical industry, small industry. Based on the production produced, the industry can be divided into primary industry, secondary industry, tertiary industry. Based on the raw materials used, the industry can be divided into agricultural industry, mining industry, service industry. Based on the management subject, the industry can be divided into people industry, state industry. Okay, next, the existence of an industry determines the goal or objectives of industrial activities. Based on the allocation of the business unit, the industry can be divided into industry oriented to the market, labor-oriented industries, processing-oriented industries, industries-oriented raw materials, industries that are not bound by other requirements. Based on the production process, the industries: upstream industry, downstream industry. Next, factors supporting and inhibiting industrial development in Indonesia. The driving factors are types of natural wealth. The location of Indonesia is between Asia and Australia. Abundant natural wealth, large population, willingness of big countries as capital owners, the law on private investment in Indonesia that is favorable. Inhibiting factors, namely uneven industrial atmosphere, skilled workers who still need to be reproduced and harmonized again, people's purchasing power is still low, limited capital available, and market. Okay, next, impact of industrial development. Positive impact: expanding job opportunities, increased foreign exchange, improving public facilities and infrastructure, simplify human life, improve standard of living. Okay, next, negative impact. Environmental pollution, loss of topsoil containing humus, the way of life of people who tend to consumer and reduced agricultural land. Okay, next, conclusion. The industrial development factor is very large for the development of the Indonesian economy. Industry plays a decisive role in economic development, so it really needs to be supported and strived for its development. Next, suggestion. Making the contents of this PowerPoint is still far from perfect. The author hopes for critiques and suggestions from readers. Next, reference. Okay, that's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.